All right, hey guys, welcome back to J-Force Gaming, and the voice you are hearing now is the clone voice. How do I do that? Well, it is with the help of this software right here, right? So this is the iMyFone VoxBox text-to-speech and voice cloner software, right? So this is really, really one of the amazing voice cloner and text-to-speech software. Why am I recommending this? Because this one, all right, is not a typical, text-to-speech that, the speech may sound robotic and AI-ish, right? But this one has an actual accent to it. Yeah, so they have over a few hundreds of different accents and different languages that it can support and have different tone and tune. All right, so you can maybe sound angry, you can sound happy, you can sound French. All right, and what I love about this, because this is the only software that has a Singaporean accent. Yes, you heard that right. So yeah, not any other software out there, but only this software. And as a Singaporean myself, this thing is really, really sick. All right, and they have a lot of others things as well you can do to it. Or you can use this to make song, you can make rap, you can use it to make like conversation, all this and that. It's really, really cool. So right now I'm gonna just show you guys, all right, the software itself. You guys can see for yourself how amazing this software is and why I use this, all right, in some of my videos or some of my shorts as well. All right, so yeah, let me just show you the software itself. Let's go. Alright, so what you guys can see here, it is the text-to-speech feature. Alright, so you can just write any text you want, okay, up to 10,000 characters. Alright, so you can just type anything or you can import any, text from PDF, documents, or anything like that. Alright, and after that, you can select a voice. So yeah, what's incredible about this, alright, is like, they have Singaporean voice accent, like I said earlier on. So these are all the Singaporean voice accents. All right, you guys can choose different kinds of voice as well. So they have English accent, like Indian accents. All right, you guys can hear for yourself. All right, I'm just let you guys hear for yourself.
Only the bravest climbers around the world dare to take the challenge.
Sometimes you can see.
Today is the day to remind your
Yeah, so you can hear they have the Indian accent as well, or you have the Australian one. All right.
VoxBox, text-to-speech voice creator.
In Persia, we do not have such feasts. In Persia, we do
Really
not have.
cool, alright. This thing is really cool. You can change their individual mood as well. Okay, so this one I don't think they have mood, but probably like the US one probably have some mood. These one have different audio or universal audio. Okay, maybe we have the Canada one. Okay, so you can see their mood and style. So yeah, you can see how happy,
Vancouver
sad,
will see
or neutral.
current
Alright,
cruising
so really,
altitude
really
is
cool.
10,000.
They have all kinds of accents. You can see they also have in other languages as well, so you guys can use in other language as well. Look at the amount of languages it has. Oh, look at it. Right, all comes with all their individual accent, so it's really cool. So it will sound more neutral. So if you are using this for advertisement, it will feels more home to your target audience or your target geography. All right, so you guys can add some to favorite. You can see one of the hots right now. All right, news. All right, there, and they also have most of the people who are like famous celebrities. You guys can also use them as well. Okay, and yeah, you can choose like between male or female voices. All right, child, adults, or seniors. All right, they have really a lot. All right, you can choose like all accents. So I can show you all the accent they have. All right, just choose all. Okay, and you guys can see you have real people, you have celebrities, so you guys can, text to speech output will be like, this kind of voices. Donald Trump.
America is a nation built on hard work, dedication, and resilience.
Right, so it's really cool, and you can choose their mood as well, so you can sound fearful. Okay.
America is a nation built on hard work, dedication, and resilience.
And you can use angry as well.
America is a nation built on hard.
Right, so they will sound like different tones, so it's really cool. You can change their mood as well. So this thing is really incredible, right? Not any other text to speech can actually do into such details. Right, so you can choose from a lot of celebrities. Look at the amount of celebrities they have. They have Chinese celebrities as well. So yeah, they have rappers, they have influencers as well. Mr. Beast, I'm pretty sure most of you guys are well aware of him.
Are you still dubbing your own videos over and over again?
Okay, so maybe I would just use Mr. Beast as an example. Okay, so yeah, so Mr. Beast like do a shout like okay guys, sub to J-Force Gaming. now. Okay, then once you've done, okay, you can add another speaker, or you can choose from also like a conversation. Then I'll let you guys hear what the conversation looks like. All right, or you can just one person. You guys can also change the different settings, the vibration, speech, all right, to sound the perfect way you want it to sound. So they have all these extra settings for you to adjust it to suit, the voice or the the sound that you really want. You can add certain pause to it to sound more neutral, more realistic. So once you have everything done, you want to proceed on, just click on generate. So it will generate for you.
Okay, guys, subscribe to JForce Gaming now.
You guys heard that? Okay, let you guys hear one more time, all right?
Okay, guys, subscribe to JForce Gaming now.
Alright, you guys heard Mr. Beast? Subscribe to my jforce Gaming now. Also hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet too, alright? Mr. Beast says so. Alright, so you can also enhance it as well. Okay, so you can see here, they will say it will remove noise and improve quality and adjust to standard volume. So if you find this one a bit like fizzy or doesn't sound a bit right, just click on enhance, click on confirm, alright, and they will enhance it for you. It's really cool. Alright, so once you can see this one of the one that this is the one of the starting the intro that you guys see, alright. So yeah, this is the intro. Alright, so you guys can go to video dubbing, you guys can delete it, or you can export it to like a folder as well. Okay, so this is the enhanced one. I don't know if you guys can hear the difference, but I will just let you guys hear as well.
Okay, guys, subscribe to JForce Gaming now.
Yeah, okay, it sounds more natural, much finer. Alright, so it's really incredible. Alright, so yeah, you can use this, you can type any text you want and they will say anything you want. So yeah, you can use it prank your friends, some audio recording as well. Alright, and this thing is what I love the most, is the voice cloning. So basically you just read like some lines, alright, and they will clone your voice into anything. So you guys can, like my intro, alright, although it's not me speaking, but it's my voice. Okay, so yeah, they will show you 3 different one, all with a different tuning. So you guys can hear all 3 and see which one sounds more like you can use that. So this one, the clone voice one, sounds more the best. So that's why you can see it saved successfully, because I use this for the intro. So yeah, how you guys can create a clone, just click a new clone. You can upload your own video or audio file which has the audio in it, so it will extract your voice from the audio or any other voice that you want to clone, alright, or you can just click on record, alright, and when you click on record, I cannot record it now because I'm recording it onto my system. So if I click recording now, my mic will be completely silent. Alright, but anyways, alright, when you click on record, you just have to read like this whole paragraph. So you just speak to your mic like, do you know that your eyes don't feel? So once you're done reading the whole sentence, just click on save, alright, and you just need to reach the passage 3 times. Alright, and once it says done, it will start cloning your voice. So once you clone your voice, alright, you can start using your voice over here. So you guys can see my clone voice. So this is the voice that I use. So this is my clone voice and the voice that you guys heard at the start of the video. So yeah, it's really cool. Okay, so you can get to use your own voice or friend's voice and maybe prank your friends saying that, if your friends didn't say that, but this is your voice, you say that, it's scary at the same time, but it's really interesting, alright. And they also have a lot of other things as well. This is one of my favorite, alright. You guys can generate a rap lyrics, or you guys can say anything, but for now I'm gonna just use AI to generate a lyric like hype up gym rap. Okay, so you guys can use it as gym. Okay, so you can generate lyrics. So if you have no idea what you want to write, or you're not good at script writing, AI will import for you. So you guys, this is what you guys want, alright. So yeah, and after you guys can change voice to like certain rappers. Alright, you guys can use other one, but rappers will be much better because they sound more accurate. Alright, so they are tag, they are Bilabi, they are Big Gay, all this. If you know certain rappers, alright. For me, I'm gonna just use with tag. Alright, you guys can choose the amount of beats, like the kind of beats, alright. You guys can choose like which kind of song that you want to, like style. So like once you've selected what you want, once you've selected your beats per minute, and yeah, you can pretty much click on generate. Okay, so I really want to listen to this, alright. So let's listen together, alright.
step in the gym, feeling like a beast. Sweat pouring down, I'm ready for the feast. Waist slanking, muscles bulging, I'm in my zone. Like a lion in the jungle, I'm ready to own. My heart's pounding, adrenaline rush. I'm on a mission, no time to hush. Every rep, every set, I'm pushing through like a
I'm not kidding, this is fire. Alright, so yes, you can generate your own rap song. It's crazy, alright. Nowadays, the AI, the technology is just really crazy. And when I saw this, I'm really surprised by it and how real it sounds. So, yeah, and it's very catchy. You can hear the beat is very catchy, really well made, as in, like, it's made in a studio. It's really incredible, alright. So, yeah, you guys can go ahead and, be creative and create your own rap songs, alright. You can select, it's crazy, right? You guys can go ahead and play around with it if you are getting this software around. Alright, there's speech to speech, so you guys can use turn an audio, upload an audio file and turn it to any voices you want. Speech to text, so basically you extract out the speech and then you make it into text. Can be very useful if you are like, trying to extract out like, your professor or your lecturer, the class they're talking, and then you guys can, extract what it says and, take out the key points. All this really amazing. The noise reducer, the noise reducer is also one of my favorite of all time, because sometimes when I record in my mic, there's a lot of background noise, or sometimes my cable isn't plugged in properly. It has this like static hissing noise. So either I one record again, or two, I just put into this software. Within a few seconds, I have a really, really clear voice. So this is really, really crucial, especially in recording or anything, or you're like interviewing someone. This can be very useful. You can clear up speech, improve quality, fix the loudness. Alright, so they have all this kind of thing. You can record. Alright, and yeah, they have video dubbing as well, so you guys can dub it. Alright, audio clip editor format. They have a lot of things, so all is included in this software. So it's very, very generous. So if you just want it for like one features, alright, you can get all the features for free. So it's really, really amazing. So yeah, so highly recommend you guys to check out this software. Alright, if you guys want the best text to speech or the best text to voice cloning software, alright, this is the software to go. Alright, they have the accent, you can change the mood, and they have so hundreds, I don't know how many kinds of voices you can use. They have like hundreds and thousands of it. Look at this. If I go to all, see, it's an infinite scroll. There's so many you can use, so it's really, really crazy. Alright, so there is definitely someone or what you want to use. Alright, they have it over here, and the one I love the most is the Singaporean accent. It sounds really, really good. Alright, and I forget one thing to show you guys. Alright, so this is just now the one. So yeah, this is the, you guys can just hear.
Did you hear about this channel on YouTube called 𝖩 Gaming?
No, what is the channel about?
It's about tech reviews and gaming videos, and they are really interesting.
Well, I'll sure go and check out this channel and subscribe to it.
So yes, you guys had heard that was the conversation made by text to speech, alright, by adding multiple line, multiple speaker in a Singaporean accent. It sounds really cool. Alright, so usually Singaporean accent will have like la, wow, oh, very nice, that kind of one. It's very like very monotone, and it's like, okay guys, subscribe to 𝖩 Gaming, something like that. If I were to use my Singaporean accent, it may sound a bit weird, but yeah, that is basically Singaporean accent. It sounds, I would say 90% very close, so it's crazy. Alright, so yeah, you guys can go and try it out and use it however you like it. Alright, so yeah, so once again, if you want to check out this software, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to check it out, and definitely do not miss out on this. If you're looking for the best text to speech software or voice coding software, this is the one that you should go for. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you find today's video really interesting and really helpful, alright, do give me a thumbs up, alright, and leave it comment down below why this is one of the best. Alright, and yeah, that's all for today, guys. And once again, if you guys want to check out this software, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below, alright, for you guys to check it out and definitely get it for yourself and start to be creative with it. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.